The economy continues to hum along at a healthy clip. Fourth quarter gross domestic product came in better than expected, and growth for all of 2018 was the strongest in years. Steve Liesman is in Washington tonight.
The U.S. economy registering pretty strong growth in the fourth quarter, stronger than expected by economists and stronger than potential growth. It came in at 2.6%, while Wall Street was looking for around 2%. How did we get there? Well, the consumer ended up being stronger than had been forecast, and business investment was pretty strong at 6.2%. Residential investment, that is the housing market, did subtract from growth, and federal spending only ended a bit, up 0.4%. While the number was strong, it was a sequential weakening from the third quarter, and especially from the 4.2% number registered in the second quarter. Economists surveyed by CNBC expect the first quarter to be weaker still at 1.9%, which is just around potential growth. One of the reasons that weakening is expected is because inventories were very strong in the fourth quarter, perhaps built up by companies trying to get ahead of the tariffs and those goods landing on American shores in December. That's supposed to run off perhaps in the first quarter. JP Morgan, in fact, says inventory data have surprised to the upside. This development also may pose a headwind for GDP growth this quarter. The year-over-year growth rate was 3.1%, and the administration took that as a victory. Larry Kudlow, the director of President Trump's National Economic Council, expects the strong growth to continue in 2019.
So people are saying, well, there's a sugar high 1 year, that's it. They're just plain wrong. These policies are working. So I'm going to say 3% 2018, and I'm going to say 3% for 2019, and 3% as far as the eye can see.
As for the Federal Reserve, this number probably changes their outlook very little. They expect the economy to weaken this year and are concerned about some risks like global economic weakness and trade tensions. They'll wait to see how those issues play out before making any changes to their policy either way. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Steve Liesman in Washington.